making medicine to heal the body. Inhalation, lift arms, take a step out, a comfortable hip width distance, and find your place between heaven and earth, knees soft, breath deep and slow. Palms up. As you inhale, lift arms out in front, and as you exhale, the arms sweep down. Turn the palms, inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhalation, feeling the air as you release. Inhalation up and exhalation down. Each inhalation, we're rising. Exhalation, sinking down. As we begin to discover the movement of breath, connecting with this breath, connecting with nature, and the breath reminding us to stay present for the beautiful moment at hand. Relax. Gathering chi. Inhalation, sweep to the earth, draw up through the center. Exhalation, slowly release out to the side. Bend knees, inhale, gather, lift, lengthen. Exhalation, slow release. Inhale and slowly exhale. Gathering and purposefully drawing upon the forces of nature for healing or power. Draw up, gather armloads of sky, infinite possibilities. Exhale. Gathering chi from the earth, gathering chi from the heavens. Deep breath. No hurries. Relax the arms. Notice your breath. And then we'll widen the stance. So further than hip width, with one foot pointed out to the side and shifting the weight to that side. As you exhale, extend out. Draw energy back as you inhale. So exhalation, extending, releasing. Inhalation, drawing to the lower belly, the heart, and begin to circulate the chi. So circulation, solving stagnation, keeping the inner rivers flowing. As you exhale, the torso moves and the arms follow. And inhale, draw this energy back. Exhale, out. Inhale, center. Come to center, and we'll shift to the other side. So finding that stance, foot pointed out to the side. Turn towards that leg, and on the exhalation, draw up to the heart and extend out. Draw back towards the belly and up to the heart, extending. Moving the torso, arms will follow. circulating. This movement delivering restorative resources to strengthen and fuel the organs, the glands, and the tissues. Posture, movement of breath, and staying present to this moment at hand. Keeping the thoughts easy. And turning towards center. Comfortable hip width stance as we store the energy we've created. Inhale to the heavens and exhale down the center line of the body, palms face the body. Inhale, gathering from the living fields. An exhalation, bathing the marrow of the bones. Big inhalation. And exhale. Inhale, gathering. Exhale, feeling more than thinking. Storing divine resources in the body. Inhale up. Exhale. Storing Qi creates and maximizes, sustains an inner reserve of potential for health, life, and being. Slow breath. Inhale. Exhale, send this Qi to the deepest parts of the bones. Bathing in this sea of Qi. Arms come out to the side, close the stance. Relax the arms. Palm over palm, lower belly, lower dantian, sealing in the Qi.